what does a French artist have to do with the Neolithic sites on the Maltese Islands? Jean Houel was born in the 18th century to a rich family. He was not only an artist, but he also studied as a draftsman. But he was fascinated primarily by the Mediterranean culture and the Mediterranean landscape. In fact, in 1776, he spent 3 years traveling around the Mediterranean. He visited Sicily, Lipari, and he also visited the Maltese Islands. When he was here, we were lucky that he came to see Ħaġar. And the fact that he was an artist, he painted the remains here. And what's interesting about his painting is that we can see how much of the remains are actually visible in the landscape before the site was excavated. What's also interesting is that he included himself in the painting. And in the background there are also another 2 people who seem to be collecting artifacts or items from the site. And what this shows us is that apart from the fact that the site was not completely covered before its excavation, but it also shows that by its simple presence in the landscape, it attracted attention and attracted people's curiosity before we realized how important, in fact, the site is.
Ensuring a future to our past.